people. So this is my second video of the day and I need to do everything fast because today is also a busy day. Lots of renovation work happening at my house. People, yesterday I was this particular show was released. It's called Surviving Death. And oh my god, what a show it is. It has 6 episodes and each episode is like 51 minutes long, so practically an hour. But it's all about these people who've had near death experiences, and there are these two among the 6 episodes. 2 episodes are dedicated to mediums, how they connect with the other dimension and all of that. So it's just, when I'm thinking of it, yeah, I mean, death is something that is inevitable, right? I mean, all of us will be like kicking the bucket sooner, if not later, whatever, it will happen. But still, until, most people, that's what the fear of death, most people, yeah, all the people have the fear of death. When in fact, apparently, if you do good things in this lifetime, you can look forward to a nice next dimension. But really, people, so you all should try and watch this show. It's called Surviving Death, and you will find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.